parents, so believe it or not, we are approaching towards the end of the year, and it is now time to get ready for those parent-teacher conferences. So just a little bit of humor for everyone, as our third and fourth quarter have been all ran at home. Here's a little meme that I found very entertaining. It says, "My husband having a parent-teacher conference with our youngest daughter's teacher." I just thought that was very funny. So, you always have to find the humor in the situation that we're all living in. So basically, with all that being said and done, next week I am going to be having conferences with all of you. Now, this is a time where you can either sign up, and conferences will be ran either through Google Meets, or if you would like to have a phone conference, that can happen too. So basically, conferences, I know a lot of you are probably like, well, what could we possibly discuss, since a lot of the learning has been being placed at home. Well, this is a time where we can chat about, the work that they have completed either at home, like the packet materials, or even just the assignments that are placed on Schoology as well. And overall, just kind of looking in terms of next school year. So basically, what you're going to find is I have placed this document, it's a Word document, on Schoology. So basically, I have it scheduled for either Monday, June 1st, and the times that are in white are the times that you can sign up for. So basically, any of the times that are in the red time frames are unavailable, just because we have our Google Meets, and then I have my afternoon office hours. I also have built in open morning office hours, but that is going to be the time where you can actually schedule yourself to, if you would like to chat with me, we can do that. I also have the same schedule for Tuesday, June 2nd. And then also Wednesday, June 3rd, and then Thursday, June 4th. For Baltimore County, June 4th is going to be the day where all of the progress reports will be submitted. And basically, when we all chat for conferences, I will have that progress report available for you guys to take a look at. Now, like I said, I know it sounds very odd and interesting how we are having these parent-teacher conferences, but I do have a lot of data that I have collected prior to our quarantine shutdown. So, and all of that compiled with what has been occurring through remote learning as well. So it's all just stuff that we can chat about if you choose to participate in those conferences. So basically, how conferences will be held is, like I said, we will have it either through Google Meets, and we will still use like the MES Grade K Room 2, or if you would choose to chat on the phone, we can do that as well, okay? Also, as I mentioned before, we have progress reports. So for the third and fourth quarter, progress reports will be uploaded on Schoology on June 24th. So basically, the end of the year, I guess you can say like report card, or similar to like how our first quarter progress report was for kindergarten. This is going to be that same format, but you will be able to access that on Schoology. And as time approaches, I will you make another video to show you guys how to access that as well. So basically what I'm going to do now is I am actually going to show you where that Word document is located. So if you come to our Schoology page in the homeroom, all the way at the bottom is going to be that conference day schedule. Now, with me learning how to work with all of the tech pieces of, online learning and all of that stuff, I'm still trying to figure out how you guys can open it and kind of write your name in there, but I honestly can't necessarily seem to figure that out just yet. So basically, if you guys open this up and you have a preferred time that you would like to meet with me, if you wouldn't mind just kind of shooting me a message through Remind, and I can add that into my Word document and then give it an upload on a day-to-day basis, so that way you guys can access and see who has been signing up for the individualized times. That would be very helpful. Like I said, I know that there's a way to actually open a Word document where everyone else can edit by adding the name. But if you can just send me a message through Remind, that would be great as well. So with all that being said and done, I know that a lot of you are probably, find this very entertaining about having the parent-teacher conferences, but, it is good because, you guys have been working a lot with your child at home as well, and then also all of the stuff that we have been doing through Google Meets is being compiled to kind of create that third and fourth quarter progress reports. And also this would be a good time to kind of just chat, about, the upcoming school year and any questions or concerns that you guys may have. So, this is a good opportunity to just kind of, chat it out with me and, just kind of talk about what's going on in the kindergarten world. So I hope to hear from all of you soon. And like I said, if you have a preferred time for parent-teacher conferences, just send me a text through the Remind app, and then I will just add that into our Word document on Schoology. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.